I was saying, I think it was his approachability where anybody seated in any kind of an audience could send a little slip written with some question, some observation up to Ajit Dada, their Ajit Dada Pawar, and know that it would be recognized. Ajit Pawar would refer to it and probably come back with a very acerbic one-liner, but that was acceptable to people. The second thing was that he positioned himself and called himself Kamacha Manus. That is, if you want to get work done, come to me. And that enabled him to reach many people who hesitated perhaps in reaching out to Mr. Sharad Pawar because of his stature, age, and so on. It helped that Ajit Pawar was much younger, also knew how the modern media worked, how modern communications worked. He was a better communicator with his one-liners and other things than Mr. Sharad Pawar, and that all of this helped him build a very deep personal connect. And as some of your colleagues have been saying since morning, these are people who know that they may not even get a glimpse of Ajit Pawar, but they have poured in from yesterday evening. Last night, the Vidya Pratishthan grounds were full, and Supriya had to appeal to them to go back home if they could and come back this morning. The last I remember seeing this was for Mr. Bal Thackeray in Bombay, Thane, of course, but as massively complete natural outpouring of grief for Mr. Vilas Rao Deshmukh of the Congress and Mr. Gopinath Munde of the BJP. And that tells us that there are politicians and then there are politicians. There are politicians who do the political work, who sign on files, who take oaths as ministers and chief ministers. And then some of them transcend that to become what we might best call a people's politician, someone that people knew they could reach out to, but importantly, who people knew that this man knows me, this man knows my family. He has the authority to maybe chide me, pull me up. That's fine, but he's my man there, and that connect. I find it increasingly on the decline in Maharashtra.